आज हांगा दाबोली एअरपोर्टाचे एक्सपान्शनाचे हियरींग असलें. ह्या हियरिंगाक हांव हाजीर जाल्लो आनी म्हजें म्हणणें की आमी पयले सुवातेर एप्रिशिएट करता आमची एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया. तांणी हो एअरपोर्ट एक्सपांड करूंक हें रेजोल्युशन घेतलें देखून तांकां शाबासकी, कित्याक ही आमची गरज. आनी खेरीत भाशेन हांव सदांच हो एअरपोर्ट वाडलोलो आनी तसोच गोंयकारांक उरलोलो म्हजो आवडो. पूण एकूच म्हजें सांगणें जें हांवें तांकां सांगलां आयच्या दिसाक की हो एअरपोर्ट एक्सपांड जाले उपरांत तो प्रायवेट प्लेयराचे वो इंडस्ट्रियलाच्या हातांत वचूंक पावना.
At the very outset, I must say that for the first time in many years, this is the first non-polluting project that has been proposed in Mormugao Taluka. In the past, we used to have all these coal expansion project hearings of Mormugao Port Trust. However, so my purpose of attending the public hearing was not to oppose or object to the proposed project, but I raised three issues during my presentation. First is, I pointed out how today's public hearing was irregular and not in compliance with the office memorandum of the Ministry of Environment and the EIA notification 2006, and I demanded that the hearing be adjourned and held on some other day. For example, the village panchayat of Sankwal was kept in the dark. No copy of the draft EIA report has been placed in the village panchayat of Sankwal, which the pollution control board officials admitted. Secondly, I raised the issue of total lack of parking facilities, both in the existing as well as the proposed airport terminals. According to their own estimates, the peak hour capacity will be around 6,500 passengers. The annual passengers, what they expect is around 11.6 million in the year 2021. Not a single public parking space is available at the airport today. So I questioned the project proponent and the EIA consultant. They were showing some plots of land close to the airport. For example, there was one piece of land which is close to the airport, which was earlier earmarked for parking for the airport. Later on, it was denotified, and today there is a commercial construction there. And yet, in the draft EIA report, that particular piece of land is shown as earmarked for parking.
जो प्रोजेक्ट है ये बेसिकली जो हमारी एक्जिस्टिंग टर्मिनल बिल्डिंग है उसका एक स्मॉल एक्सटेंशन है. ये एक्सटेंशन हम उस एरिया में कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे हमारी ओल्ड टर्मिनल बिल्डिंग होती थी, उसको हमने डेमोलिश किया और उसी एरिया में हम 86 फीट में इस एक्जिस्टिंग टर्मिनल बिल्डिंग को एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं. बेसिक पर्पज़ इस एक्सटेंशन का ये है कि डोमेस्टिक पैसेंजर ग्रोथ बहुत फास्ट है, बहुत रैपिड है. तो जो हमारा अभी डोमेस्टिक सिक्योरिटी होल्ड है उसको हम शिफ्ट करना चाहते हैं टुवर्ड्स इंटरनेशनल साइड, और इंटरनेशनल साइड को हम डोमेस्टिक में शिफ्ट करना चाहते हैं. उसके पीछे दो रीज़न है. उससे हमारा जो इंटरनेशनल प्लस एक्सटेंडेड पोर्शन होगा जो पूरा डोमेस्टिक में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, उसमें हम मोर नंबर ऑफ पैसेंजर्स को कंफर्टेबली एकोमोडेट कर पाएंगे. और उसके अलावा दूसरा ये है कि जब हम इंटरनेशनल सिक्योरिटी होल्ड को डोमेस्टिक में शिफ्ट करेंगे तो चूँकि हमारे पास जो इंटरनेशनल फ़्लाइट्स आती हैं, बड़े एयरक्राफ्ट आते हैं, उनकी जो बेस हैं वो उसी डायरेक्शन में, उसी साइड में है. तो जो अभी इंटरनेशनल पैसेंजर को एक साइड से निकल के पूरा ट्रेवल करके दूसरे एंड पे जाना पड़ता था टर्मिनल बिल्डिंग के, उनके लिए वो डिस्टेंस बहुत शॉर्ट हो जाएगा. वो वहाँ से एग्जिट करके सीधा अपने एयरक्राफ्ट की बोर्डिंग में जाएंगे. उससे एयरक्राफ्ट का ऑन टाइम परफॉर्मेंस बढ़ जाएगा क्योंकि उनका टर्न अराउंड बहुत फास्ट हो जाएगा. इसके अलावा जो पैसेंजर्स का इनफ्लो है वो बढ़ता जा रहा है. तो हमें ये लग रहा है कि हमें अगर फ्यूचर की रिक्वायरमेंट को केटर करना है तो हमें अपने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को एक्सपैंड करना पड़ेगा, हमें अपने चेक इन काउंटर्स बढ़ाने पड़ेंगे, हमें अपने सर्विसेज को एक्सपैंड करना पड़ेगा, अपने सिक्योरिटी होल्ड्स को एक्सपैंड करना पड़ेगा. इस सब चीज़ को ध्यान रखते हुए फ्यूचर रिक्वायरमेंट, फ्यूचर ग्रोथ ऑफ टूरिस्ट इन गोवा, उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए वी आर टेकिंग अप this extension of terminal building project.
There is a project of expansion of existing terminal of Daboli Airport, and adjacent to that, expansion of Nakhon. So today's public hearing was part of this project.
So,
What
and
is the next step post the public hearing? all the proceedings of this public hearing, it has been recorded. It will be submitted to an expert appraisal committee. That committee will examine and then they will submit their recommendations to to government and then final decision.
Were you content or satisfied with the way it was held?
Yeah, of course.
How many participants were there for the public hearing?
As per provisions, participants had to register beforehand by email. We had issued public notice for that. However, since this is a small project and it does not concern the outside world much, because this is part of expansion of the existing project, existing airport, which is inside the premise of airport. Very few participants had registered. Total 6 of them had registered, and they were given a opportunity to speak in this public meeting. And the concerns raised by them were responded in principle at this moment by the project proponent, and it has been taken note of and it will be submitted to the, as I said, expert appraisal committee.